Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Visite. This is the next tutorial on Java programming. In this tutorial, we are gonna discuss about one important questions that may ask interviewer in your interview. That is, what is it? That question is, can we override Java main method? Okay, this is the important questions for your interview. Okay, can we override Java main method? Okay. Yes, by method overriding, you can have any number of main methods in class by method overriding. But here, JVM will calls main method. Okay, here JVM which calls main method. That JVM receives string array as a arguments only. Okay, then let's see the simple examples. I have created here class is text overload, so I'm going to create some main methods here. Let's see JVM with JVM main receives with main methods here. Okay, so public static void main. You guys know this is the main method in Java programming, and you have to give a string array is your array. So main with a string. This is the one static main. This is the one main method. So similarly, I'm going to create some other main methods here. Okay, so I'm going to change here string arguments, means I remove this here. This is also separate, and in this main method I'm going to change these things. This is already accepted. Okay, so let's see the JVM which calls main method here. JVM is only main with string. Respect main with string, main with string. So one thing is, you should remember that JVM calls main method which receive a string array as an argument only. Okay, here string have an array. This is an array here. This array have only arguments. That's why JVM calls this method. Let's see in another main method. Here this array is, I haven't mentioned the array here also. That's why JVM calls main method. That's why this JVM calls this main method only. Okay, that's why if someone asked you, if the interviewer asked you, can you override, can you overload, not override, okay, sorry, can we overload Java main method, then you have to say these things. Okay, this much for this tutorials. I hope it helps you to learn on Java. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icons to get the notification of my new videos. See you in the next